CMDP, back with another GCSS-Army video. And today we're going to continue our CMDP series with more informational publications. And today we're just going to do a brief overview of the publications inspection sheet. Now, your publication or CMDP sheets may be a little bit different than mine. I know for me, I've tried to incorporate what my battalion, brigade, and also my division is requiring as well. But overall, most of these are going to be the same. Okay, so without further ado, let me go ahead and share my screen so we can just jump in and I can show you the checklist and we will go from there. All right, so basically everything we've gone over in the previous videos is right here. So if you look, it's going to tell you, hey, maintenance publications, right? AR 25-4-2. Do you have it on hand? So it's a simple, these are simple checks. You know, technical bulletins, it's going to go down here. It may ask you for your joint JBLM regulations or Fort Hood, whatever it may be. And then, of course, like we showed in the one video, you know, do you have access to these websites to do this? Now, if you pay attention closely, I have showed you in the one file that we did, unit SOP addresses publications, right? So that was in the previous video I showed you before, you know, are all applicable TMs, publications on hand, significant quantity support maintenance, right? Are required publications. These are all the checks, and they're simple checks. Most people get dock points right about here, right? Do you have any obsolete or old publications present during the inspection, right? So make sure you get all your old stuff destroyed. TM libraries, collection, and manuals, right? Including your items and your ETMs, okay? Make sure you have that stuff. And like I said, if you look at your checklist, it's going to tell you AR 25-4-2, paragraph 6-1 and 6-2. It's going to tell you where they're pulling it from, right? You know, ensure operators and crews currently have 10 members. So what stinks is when you do the PMCS portion of your CMDP check inspection, I normally start off on a Monday morning with the PMCS. Now, I can't tell you how many operators screw this up for the whole unit because they're not using the proper TMs. They're not using TMs. They're using their phone. They're using Sergeant Google. They're doing all kind of crazy stuff, right? But you must use the actual 10-level manual, right? So what they score here, this check here is pretty much in almost every other inspectable area. So if you get docked here, you can get docked in the rest as well. All right. So like I said, units will have a publication sub accounts. Okay. So make sure you set up your counts. And like I said, it's pretty simple. Out of 255 points, this should be a commendable area right off the bat. Now, what I normally do on my inspections, you know, if they have it, you know, I don't ever put any comments here. All right. So you can put, you know, on disk, or you put on disk, or unit has publication, but I normally just leave all the comments for the stuff that they score low on. So for example, let's see, ensure operators crew, right? So you could put like operators not using technical manuals during PMCS, right? During PMCS, or using unauthorized QR codes, right? And then you dock the points right here. So it's pretty easy. So if you notice, it'll calculate all that for you, and then that's how you fill it out. It's pretty self-explanatory. So it tells you up here, you know, 5 points is commendable, 3 to 4 is satisfactory, and then of course, you know, you got your needs of improvement, which is a 2, and a tasking rating of 0 or 1 is unsatisfactory. And one thing that we completely screw up when we do CMDP inspections is down here, right? So evaluated, get well reinspection date. So if they fail, they're supposed to be reinspected. Make sure you put the reinspection date to let the unit know, hey, on this date, I'm coming back through to reinspect. So hope y'all like this video. Like I said, this was a simple, short, quick video, but I just wanted to show you guys the checklist and go from there. So without further ado, hope you guys have a good weekend and go Ordnance.